Welcome to part 135 of Daily English. Today's topic: listening and speaking pronunciation practice. Pronounce each word clearly. Example: pronounce each word clearly and slowly. Open your mouth. Example: open your mouth when you speak. Stress the right syllable. Example: stress the right syllable in every word. Slow down. Example: slow down if the words are difficult. Speak naturally. Example: speak naturally, not like a robot. Pay attention to the ending sounds. Example: pay attention to the ending sounds in English words. Listen to yourself. Example: record your voice and listen to yourself. Compare your pronunciation. Example: compare your pronunciation with the native speaker. Keep practicing every day. Example: keep practicing every day and you'll improve. Mini conversation. Teacher, today we'll practice pronunciation. Student, sometimes my pronunciation isn't clear. Teacher, slow down, stress the right syllable, and pay attention to the ending sounds. Student, I'll record my voice and compare my pronunciation. Teacher, excellent. Keep practicing every day. Daily tip: good pronunciation is not about having a perfect accent. It's about speaking clearly so people can understand you. Practice slowly, pay attention to stress and ending sounds, and record yourself regularly to hear your progress. Speaking challenge. Choose 10 English words you've learned. Pronounce each word slowly, then naturally. Record yourself, listen again, compare your pronunciation with a native speaker, and repeat until you feel confident. Subscribe for part 136. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.